Will NGOs survive the new FCRA changes or slowly disappear? So, hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper, so come read with me. Now, the topic is why bill to amend FCRA has sparked this controversy. See, India has a law called FCRA, Foreign Contribution Regulation Act. Now, it controls how NGOs, which are the non-profitable organizations, receive money from foreign countries. Why? To ensure foreign money is not used against India's interest, to maintain national security and transparency. Now, what exactly is happening now? See, the government has proposed new amendment bill in 2026 to change the FCRA rules. Now, this has created the controversy between the government, opposition parties, NGOs and civil society as well. Now, what are the key changes? Let us understand these key changes. Government will create a designated authority. This authority can change NGO assets if their FCRA license is cancelled or under investigation. This becomes very important. And see, earlier NGOs had more control over their own funds and assets, but now that's gone. Now, why is this controversial? There are multiple dimensions behind this controversy. First is the government's view. Now, this is the security angle. Prevent misuse of foreign funds, stop anti-national activities, bring more transparency and accountability. And their argument is foreign money should not influence India's internal matters. Then there is a second NGO and civil society view. Now, fear of too much government control could shut down NGOs easily, affects work in education, health and human rights. And the argument is this may silence the independent voices. Then there comes a political dimension. Now, opposition says law can be misused to target critics. Government says it is about plunging loopholes, not politics. Then there is a federal and regional angle. For example, the Kerala example has been given here. The Kerala controversy has been given everything. The Catholic Bishops' Conference of India says the bill threatens the operational survival of civil society groups that depended on foreign aid. Now, the issue became big in Kerala. How many NGOs they are dependent on foreign funds, minority groups fear loss of support system. Then there is a legal rights angle. Now, this raises questions of freedom of association, which is Article 19, balance between national security and civil liberties. Now, core issue in 19 is how much control should the government have over NGOs receiving foreign money. This whole topic becomes highly relevant for UPSC examinations, for GS paper 2, polity and governance, and for static plus current affairs. This topic becomes important, and for interview also this topic becomes highly important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.